Okay, sixth graders, we're going to do some practice problems. Yes? That's what we're going to do, is correct the assignment. Practice 5.5. Lesson 5.5 is subtracting with fractions when you don't have enough pieces. And so, given what you have to decide, do I have enough pieces in order to take away the pieces that I need to take away? So look at this example. 2 1/5 minus 1 2/5. The top number in the fraction always tells you the number of pieces. So this has one piece, 2 wholes, and 1 piece. And we have to take away 1 whole and 2 pieces. But if you only have 1 piece to start with, you don't have enough pieces. You can't take away the 2 pieces that you need to take away because you only have 1. And so you have to make more pieces then. And to do that, you cut up a whole and write the whole number as a fraction equal to 1. So instead of writing this as 1, we're going to write it as 5/5. 5 pieces out of 5. 5/5 equals 1 whole, doesn't it? Nod your head if you agree with that. 5 pieces equals 1 whole. 5 out of 5 means 1 whole. And then if you already had 1/5, now you have 6 pieces. 5/5 plus 1/5 is 6/5. And so that's what we're going to be working on in the worksheet, is writing this as the total number of pieces, and then we can take away what we need to take away. So if you have 6/5, now you can take away 2/5, right? What's 6/5 minus 2/5, class? What's 6/5 minus 2/5? Kate?
4/5?
4/5. 4/5 left. Okay, we did this as the worksheet 5.4 in lesson 5.4. We showed this by taking away 2 pieces on each side and then figuring out how many are left. Then it says we had to take away 1 whole. Now, what happened to the 2 wholes here? We're starting with 2 wholes. What happened to one of them? What did we do with one of them? Olivia?
Turn it into a fraction.
Turned it into the pieces, right? Turned it into a fraction, 5/5. So that means there was only 1 left. And when you're showing that on your paper, you're just going to cross out the whole and write 1 left. Okay? So let's go through the assignment. 1.5 minus 7/8. Number 1. 1.5 minus 7/8. Follow along here in pen. What's the common multiple we're going to convert this to? Jack?
8.
To 8. So we're going to convert 1/2 to 8. That's 4/8, isn't it? Everybody know that 4/8 is 1/2? Right, nod your head if you know that. Good. Now, can we take away 7/8? Can you take away 7/8 from 4/8? No. So then we have to break up a whole. Now how many holes are left? Show me. 0. And then add how many pieces to the 4? Hillary? How many pieces should we add to the 4? Well, since they're cut into 8s, we're going to add 8 8s. Okay? Now we have a total of how many? Bethany? 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. How big are they? Eighths. So this is 5/8. Okay? If you did this wrong, then redo it quickly. Write this. 8/8 plus 4/8 equals 12. Minus 7 equals 5. 5/8. Okay?
I did them all wrong. I forgot to.
Then what should you do? Rewrite them right now in pen and fix your mistakes.
Well, like, I got all of them wrong. So
And you're going to have a lot of writing to do. Okay? Number 2. 5 1/3 minus 3 5/6. Now convert 3 6 to sixths. So 1/3 is how many sixths? Times 2, right? So 2 6 minus 5 6. Can we do that? No. Cross out the hole and write a what? Class? Class? Read and turn around. And then write plus what? Matt?
Plus 6.
Which is
8
8. Minus 5 is
is 3.
3 6. Which is reduced to, we should reduce that to what? Reduce that to what? What should we reduce that to? Raiden. 3 6. Are you paying attention?
1/3.
No. Divide by 3. That's the common factor.
1/2.
1/2. Okay? And then do 4 minus 3 is, Nate? 1. So the answer is, Nate?
1 1/2.
1 1/2. Circle that.
Dang it, I got 2 1/2.
Did you cross out the 5?
Dang it!
Okay.
I would have had it if I didn't.
Yep. Pay attention.
Oh, approximation.
Pay attention, you guys. 7 1/4 minus 2 5/12. Okay? What should we convert the fourths to? Abby? 12. How many twelfths is that? Yep, 3 twelfths. 3 twelfths minus 5 twelfths. Can we do that? Tyler?
No.
Nope. So then we have to cross out the hole.
And then make it 15.
Yeah, so we add 12 to get 15. 15 minus 5 is what? Andreas? 15 minus 5.
10.
Yep, 10 twelfths. Which we have to reduce to what? 5 6. Good. Now that's in lowest terms. Take away the holes. Subtract the holes. 6 minus 2. Pete?
6 minus 2 is 4.
4. And so what's our answer, Peter?
It is 4 and 5 6.
Yep. Good. Questions on this process? Tate.
Okay, I am like really confused.
Okay, what's your question?
How do you guys I do this, but I get completely different answers.
Yeah, me too.
That's not a question.
Okay, you know, okay, like, I don't know what to do now.
You have to, well, you have to find a common multiple, find a common denominator.
Yeah,
Is 3, if you have 3, can you take away 5? No, so then you have to make more pieces.
I understand that, but
So you
why?
cross out the whole and write
Yes,
one less.
I do now
Okay,
understand that.
just a second. Well, what, I asked you what your question was and you're like, I don't even know, I don't know where to start. So I'm trying to get to the point where you what don't you understand?
Why do you have to add 3 again? Why do you have to add 3 to it? I don't understand that part.
Add the 3 to what?
The 12
The 12?
plus 3? I don't
Because you
understand.
already have 3 pieces, and then when you cut up a hole, you're making more pieces. If you already have 3 and you make 12 more, now how many do you have? You have 15, and now you can take away 5.
It didn't really make sense to me. Like, really didn't.
What?
It really didn't make sense to me.
Does it make sense now?
Yeah, as you explained that,
Yeah.
it made sense.
That's why those models are helpful, because you can hopefully picture what it is that you're doing when you cut up a hole, and you cross out the hole, and you write 1 less. It's because you're taking that whole piece and cutting it up into pieces. Okay? So, the answers to the next ones. Number 4. Check your answers. Oh boy. Number 4 is 5 and 8/9. Number 5, you should have gotten 5 and 13/20. Number 6, pay attention you guys. You should be marking your answers. Number 6, you should have gotten 5 and 9/16. Number 7, you should have gotten 5/6. Number 8, you should have gotten 1 and 3/4. Number 9, you should have gotten 1 and 11/14. And number 10, you should have gotten 3 and 5/8.